Hi my dear friends, welcome back to P A Gadget channel. Today this time Honor V10 vs OnePlus 5T Ultimate Compare.Both. Huawei Honor V10 smartphone was launched in November 2017. The phone comes with a 5.99-inch touchscreen display with the resolution of 1080 pixels by 2160 pixels at a PPI of 403 pixels per inch. OnePlus 5T smartphone was launched in November 2017. The phone comes with a 6.01-inch touchscreen display with the resolution of 1080 pixels by 2160 pixels at a PPI of 401 pixels per inch. The Huawei Honor V10 is powered by 1.8 GHz octa-core Huawei HiSilicon Kirin 970 processor and it comes with 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256 GB via a microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Huawei Honor V10 packs a 16-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 13-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The OnePlus 5T is powered by 2.45 GHz octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 835 processor and it comes with 6 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that cannot be expanded. As far as the cameras are concerned, the OnePlus 5T packs a 20-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 16-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Huawei Honor V10 runs Android 8.0 and is powered by a 3750 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 157.00 by 74.98 by 6.97, height x width x thickness, and weight 172.00 grams. The OnePlus 5T runs Android 7.1.1 and is powered by a 3300 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 156.10 by 75.00 by 7.30, height x width x thickness, and weight 162.00 grams. The OnePlus 5T is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, USB OTG, 3G and 4G, with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope. The Huawei Honor V10 is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, infrared, USB OTG, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope.